Hi and welcome to Perima's Kitchen. I am Sweetener and today I'm going to show you how I make one of my iced coffees. It's very indulgent, so it's for when I'm relaxing over the weekend and the kids are maybe having some milkshakes and I really want a coffee. This is the way I make it with some chia seeds, so it's really also nutritious as well. First, I soak about 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. I'll leave that in some warm water. It doesn't take very long for it to absorb all of that water and start to swell. And while the chia seeds are soaking, to my blending cup, I add 2 teaspoons of coffee. If you have a coffee machine, you can add a shot or 2 of espresso. I also add a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. I do use Ceylon ground cinnamon, which is much healthier than the other varieties that are available. I add a dash of warm water to my instant coffee just so that it dilutes properly. And I shake it around and then I add my ice. And then you can add any milk of your choice, oat milk or almond milk. Top it up. I'm using 150 to 200 milliliters of milk. I'm also using my max level as a guidance. Followed by a tablespoon or teaspoon, whatever your preference is with sweetness, of maple syrup. Again, you can use any sweetener of your choice. You can use stevia, brown sugar, whatever your preference is. I blend it for about 20 to 30 seconds. And now my chia seeds are ready. I add everything to my serving glass. And once I've added my chia seeds, I give my blending cup a good shake and I serve. So if you're using a straw, you can just release all of those chia seeds from the bottom of your glass. Alternatively, use a long spoon and give it a mix. And this is a yummy-licious iced coffee, a chia iced coffee with a sprinkle of cinnamon. It is to die for. I really love it. It's so indulgent. And it's something that if you are tired of having coffees during the week and you want something a bit different, this is the one to try. And if you want to take it up a notch, you can add a scoop of vanilla ice cream. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Kindly subscribe. Please hit the notification bell so you are notified when a new video is uploaded. Kindly like and share, and your comments are always very welcome. See you again soon in Perima's Kitchen. I am Sweetener.